In this video, I'll show you how to merge a branch on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository that contains the branch you want to merge. Next, click the Pull Requests tab near the top of the repository page. If you haven't already created a pull request for your branch, click New Pull Request, choose the branch you want to merge, compare it with the target branch, and then click Create Pull Request. Now, review the changes in the pull request. You can read the description, view the list of changed files, and make sure everything is ready to be merged. If needed, wait for any required reviews or status checks to be completed. After that, click the Merge Pull Request button. Then click Confirm Merge to complete the process. GitHub will merge the branch into the target branch and update the repository. Finally, if the branch is no longer needed, click Delete Branch to keep your repository organized. This won't affect the merged changes, since they're already part of the target branch. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to merge a branch on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.